KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, just absolutely gorgeous weather as we exited winter today and officially on the calendar. Got into spring this afternoon at 4:58, and we have the supermoon out there. Just beautiful weather, and it's nice for a change after such a cloudy early part of 2019 to go outside to see the sun during the day and the moon at night. So we'll talk a little bit more about that moon just in a little bit. First off, though, let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. We have one weather system east of the Rockies and just about east of the Mississippi now that promises snow upstate New York, a winter storm watch there. Trailing frontal boundary producing showers, but they're going to miss us off to the northeast. And then our next weather maker out here in the west delivering more rain to California, more snow to the Sierra Nevada. And oh, by the way, the 8-year drought that has been in California, severe drought, has been completely erased this winter. So great news for agriculture later this year, but watch out for the wildfire season. You're going to have a lot of brush as kindling down the line. Meanwhile, locally, that frontal boundary producing showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder up toward Mississippi, but the tail end just producing some clouds that are moving through northern portions of Acadiana as we speak. They'll move out in the next few hours, and we're just going to see reaffirmment of high pressure moving in. Now, we do have that super moon out there. It's a worm moon in March, so we have the super worm, and it came on the equinox moon out there tonight. Rose at 7:11 this evening, and it's at a perigee, and that's what makes a moon a super moon. It's not a circular orbit, it's an elliptical path around the Earth. So apogee when it's farthest away, sometimes we call that a micro moon, and it's a super moon when it's one of the closer passes, and this is the second supermoon of the year. So it's about 14% larger and 12% brighter than the moon would be if it were in the micro stage back here. So bright moon out there tonight. Get out and enjoy it. It'll be directly overhead right around midnight. If you need directions on how to find it, just go outside. Okay, so nice and fair overnight tonight. Cool as we start tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow afternoon, nice and mild again. A double-barrel ridge of high pressure, which means absolutely nothing, but we like to say double-barreled anyway. Nice and cool again tomorrow night as temperatures drop down into the 40s, and lots of sunshine again Friday afternoon. Looks like a winner to finish out the week. You got DTA. Friday looks good there. And as we move into the weekend, though, guess what? Mostly sunny early, but clouds moving in for the afternoon. Maybe a sprinkle Saturday. Here's a long-range European model, but we don't think we're going to see a whole lot through Sunday. I got 10% for Saturday and Sunday, but mostly cloudy skies. This storm system may produce severe weather Oklahoma, Arkansas, perhaps Mississippi, but I don't think here, but it should generate some showers. There's going to be a little bit of a front that follows that system, and then high pressure building back in. Another nice one for next Tuesday, for next Wednesday as well. Could see the clouds come back toward the end of the week, setting up ahead of a pretty strong storm system. And oh, by the way, this may be another blizzard in spots across the high plains and the upper Midwest. Cool air is going to follow, and guess what? That's going to be heading here for right around April 1st. So maybe rain chances the following weekend, and then on top of that, maybe a cool start, and that is no April Fool. So we'll watch that down the line. Near term, we're in the mid-40s through tomorrow morning. Northern parishes of Acadiana, mid to upper 40s, I-10 corridor, and the same pretty much along the coast. And after that cool start, it's like we're living in the desert. Gets cool at night, but warms up nicely in the afternoon. We'll get up into the low to mid-70s. Comfortable humidity once again. Tomorrow night, we'll drop back down into the upper 40s to lower 50s. And then as we move on into Friday afternoon, mid-70s with wall-to-wall sunshine. Great times to be a meteorologist for sure. So nice and cool tonight. That super moon is out there. Wind shifting out of the northwest overnight tonight. 48 the low in Lafayette. Then tomorrow, first full day of spring is going to be a beauty. Lots of sunshine and that breeze out of the northwest at about 8 to 12. As we head down the road, mid-70s into the weekend, even warmer by Monday. We might get close to 80 before we cool down just a little bit for the middle part of next week, but we'll see 80 degrees again. And I have a feeling as we move those 10-day forecasts forward in the weeks ahead, we're going to see a lot more 80s and a lot less 70s. So enjoy the time when you don't have to run the air conditioner in your car or in your home or the heater. It's the sweet spot on saving on those energy bills.
All right. Thanks, Rob.